Hear that? Some animal on the roof too. Probably a squirrel. That's a woodpecker. Woodpecker pecking. On the side of my building, the building I live in, which has wood on the outside. And I am making dead trees snags for them to peck at. I'm trying to increase their habitat. Of course, as I increase the number of woodpeckers, some of them will just decide to peck at this house, and they'll drill a hole right through the wall. When I was gone in town for a while, they actually drilled 3 holes all the way through this building, all the way to the inside. And then they probably discovered it wasn't a dead tree and it's not a great place to live. It's okay for me, but they're not really invited to live in here. I do like the woodpeckers, but a lot of wildlife just gets more and more, I'm trying to increase the amount of wildlife. So it gets more and more, in a sense, aggressive, or is that the right word? Oh, it's morning. I guess, if humans are going to live close to nature, nature is going to be close to the humans. And that does cause some issues with the interaction. I think that can mainly be handled with architecture and having buildings that keep out mice, lizards, rats, bats, birds, and so we can adjust our architecture to have a harmonious relationship with the wildlife that we're helping to be near us. So